Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Code Climber. In this session we will download Postman and PgAdmin. For more updated videos, do subscribe us and follow us. First we will go to search engine and type for Postman. You will get a first link, that is www.postman.com. It is the official link. Click on it. Here there is an option to download for Windows 64 bits. Just click on it. It's downloading. It is taking time, so I will pause the video for a while. Now it is completed. We will go to our folders, downloads. Here there is an application, just click on it. It's loading. That is initializing now. Okay, close this file. It's showing initializing the Postman. Okay. Here we got this icon on our desktop. This is the Postman window. By using this Postman, we will hit the HTTP request to a server and we will get a response from it. Okay, that's fine. In the next tutorial, I will show how to use it. As of now, we will download one more application. That is PgAdmin. Click on this. Click on downloads. Okay, here you have a various options to download on Windows, Mac, everything. Whichever you want, you select it. Here we will select Windows. download the installer. Okay, here based on the bit you can select. Here I will select Windows. This is 16 is the latest version. I'm downloading the latest version. It is downloading now. It will take more time, so that I will pause the video for a while. Showing it is downloaded. We will go to the location and check whether it is downloaded or not. As it is downloaded, click on this application. Okay, give permission as yes. It's getting loaded. In the next upcoming video, there will be hands-on practice on annotations. Basically, this is Spring Boot annotation, so that I will start from it. Just cancel, it is not wanted. Okay, you will get this pop-up window. Has welcome to PostgreSQL. Don't get confused with PostgreSQL and PgAdmin. They both are same. And click on next. Here it is showing the location where it will save. So click on next. Again click on next. Next. Here it's the password. This is why when you are logging into the PgAdmin server, you should provide a password, then only it will get open for the server. For that reason, you keep remind this in your mind so that you don't forget your password. So I'll provide something. You should keep this in mind that you should not forget this. The default port number of this server is 5432. If you want, you can change it. If you don't want, just click on next. Next. Click on next. Okay. It's installing. It will take few more time. Until that, we should wait for it. Next, click on finish. Okay, here no need to select anything. Or else you can select this PostgreSQL 16 also. Click on next. Again click on next. You should select at least one package. Here we need this database server. So in that I will select 16, the updated version, and I will click on next. Click on next. Okay, here you click on finish button. Yes, then in the search bar search for PgAdmin, so you can able to see the app here. Okay, our PgAdmin is getting opened. Now what is the purpose of using this PgAdmin is, by using a Postman we can perform a CRUD operation in the PgAdmin server. CRUD operation in a sense, we can add our data, we can get our data, or else if you don't want, we can delete our data, or if you want a list of some employees or something, you can retrieve the data from the server. So store that, to get that, or to delete that. For these functions we will use the PgAdmin server. By using the Postman we will hit a request to the server. This is the purpose why we installed Postman and a PgAdmin in this session. Okay, this is the PgAdmin. Okay, you can see a server, right? If you click on that, okay, it is saying to please enter the password for the user Postgres to connect to the server. Before we added one password there, we should provide the same password. If you provide that same password and if you click on OK, you can get this database. Inside this you can create a schema. Already schema is there, you can create your own schema as public. On that particular table you can perform CRUD operation. Okay, this is about PgAdmin and Postman in this session. In next session we will do hands-on experiments on Spring Boot annotation. Until that, thank you, bye bye.